Okay, so here is the thing that I needed you to look at. Here's the thing I wanted you to beta test. It's only just weeks and weeks and weeks later than I originally mentioned it, but that's what happens, I guess. So the site is gridpane.com. Obviously, you're welcome to give me any feedback that you want about any of that. But the real thing that I want you to look at is actually just signing up for the app itself. So I'm logged in right now. This is what it looks like when you're logged in, and you have some of these services connected. It basically lets you build WordPress powered VPS servers very, very quickly. And then once you have a VPS server, you can build sites. Okay. And then there's all kinds of cool things that you can do. Like if you break your site, you can roll back in time. Basically, you could say, "Oh, I nuked my photography site. Now I can roll back to the most recent full backup, or I can restore to a previous backup, say 15 minutes ago, 4 hours ago, whatever." Um, there's also staging sites. There's also this really cool automatic updates feature where basically what we do is we make a copy of your site and push everything to it, push all the updates, all the regular WordPress updates to it, and then we do a visual comparison between the live site and the Canary site, that update site that we built. And if it's within an acceptable threshold, then we let you do the update. If not, the update stops and you get Slack notifications for everything. And so if you go into your settings, there's all kinds of APIs that you can plug into here. Slack, Backblaze. If you don't have a Backblaze account, I highly recommend that you sign up and get a Backblaze B2 account. It's totally free for up to 10 gigabytes. You can put whatever you want there, including backups, which all of our insane overkill backups we do inside of this. But basically, I just want to get your feedback on what you think. How does the tool function? Does it seem to work? I know this might be a little bit outside of your normal comfort zone in terms of, what does this all mean in terms of these different service providers? But DigitalOcean, for example, is well, I'll just switch over here. So there's 3 different providers that we connect to via their APIs. I would recommend DigitalOcean because they have the best value right now. You get the most bang for your buck. But because I want you to try this out and I don't want it to cost anything, you can either just like Google search, there's like a free $100 credit somewhere. If you just Google search DigitalOcean, $100 credit, or right on my site here, I have a blatant affiliate link, and so you can actually go to that link, and they give you $10 free, and so you could have like 2 months of $5 a month hosting. If you don't have any domains, any extra domains or any extra like sites to try out, let me know and I'll actually just kind of set that stuff up for you. But mostly I just want to see feedback in terms of in looking at the site and in looking at how all of this stuff works. What do you see that just doesn't make sense? What needs to be better? What doesn't appear to work? If you've never used a managed WordPress provider before, like WP Engine or Kinsta or anybody like that, then this all might not make a ton of sense. But if you look at the documentation on the site, actually all the marketing lingo here, and you look at some of the videos and stuff, I don't want you to waste time looking at the videos any more than this one. You can see what I'm trying to accomplish in terms of I'm creating the software tool set that lets just anybody create a managed WordPress environment without having to pay $30, $100, $500 a month to some big, massive host. So, so take a look at that. Sign up. The code that you want to use is KPG Wizard 2. So let me actually double check that. Make sure that that's correct. We go here. Yeah, so the coupon straight from the site will take 33% off. I don't obviously want you paying for anything. So if you do KPG Wizard 2, well, maybe I got that wrong. Okay, I'll obviously have to look that up for you. I'll send you the coupon code, but I believe it's something really close to KPG Wizard 2, and then it'll be 100% off. Lifetime. You can have a developer account. You can start a big hosting company if you want to on the back of this this tool. So so just let me know what you think. Any feedback, constructive, negative, rage-filled, whatever you see that you think needs to be done, please let me know. I appreciate you taking the time to do this. And yeah, hopefully you find somewhere to use it in your repertoire of sites or online tasks or different things that you're doing or people that you work with, whatever. And certainly feel free to send them to me, and so that they can pay me mountains of money. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. With this video, I'll make sure to send you the link to the correct code. Definitely do not hand that code out to anybody else, though, because I can track its usage, and I will kill you if you hand it out. So yeah, thanks for your time, and I'll talk to you soon.